Hey y'all, I'm Jessica and I'm your go-to if you do your own marketing. And today I want to share with you 3 really quick goals that should be part of your 2025 content strategy. If you're starting this year off strong, let me know in the comments and share this video with someone who may find it helpful. One of the things that I've heard over and over and over again is I don't know what to post. I don't know what to post. Whenever I'm talking to somebody who's doing their own marketing, that's the number one struggle that I hear. So hopefully these goals will get you started in the right direction. Whether you are a makeup artist, a blogger, a musician, a nonprofit director, I want to encourage you to revisit your why. Why did you start your business in the first place? What do you want this business to do? Who do you want to serve with this business, or who do you want to serve with this brand? Who do you want to make art for? Those are really, really key in figuring out what your content strategy should look like. Because honestly, if you understand your goals, you know what you want to achieve with your content, with your business, then you've already done half of the work. I think we tend to want to jump to the fun stuff and we want to make the graphics and take the pictures and film the videos, and we don't even really know what we want to do with them or what we want them to achieve. And then when they don't get the results, we feel like, oh, this doesn't work. Where in reality, you just got to have the purpose behind it. So ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Who am I wanting to serve? Who do I want to gravitate to me, become part of my base? And I promise you, that's going to help you fill up your content calendar. You got to set the goals to set the goals, if that makes sense when it comes to your content. Next, start with building your brand awareness. If nobody knows about your business, and definitely if your target audience doesn't know about it, can you actually be successful? Will you actually see the results that you want to see? So you need to raise the awareness around your brand. You can do this several different ways. The easiest way is to be consistent. I told you yesterday that my word for 2025, actually I have 2 words, but one of my words for 2025 is consistency. Consistency is the best way to build your brand, no matter what industry you're in. You can also do this through your visual branding. Y'all, I hate to say it because I know it's going to be some of you out there, but when you go to your page, it's all jumbled and it's very noisy. It's hard to sift through. So you want to kind of rein that in a little bit. Make sure your visual branding is cohesive. Do you have the same type of look in the images that you share? Are you using the same colors? Are you using the same fonts? Do you have the same messaging? Giving your personal brand or your business a very strong visual identity is going to work wonders for building brand awareness too. Another goal that you should try if you're not sure what you should be posting is educating your audience. Of course, you need to know who your audience is and who you want to speak to, but you can't go wrong with providing education. This works regardless of your industry because at the heart of educating is storytelling. So whether you're sharing information about yourself or your personal brand, whether you're sharing information about your products or your services, your music, your art, you're actually telling a story. While you're telling that story, you are building brand awareness, but you're also strengthening that connection that your base or your future base or your target base, your target audience will have with you. And then it'll do what I want you to work on for your third goal, and that is to build loyalty to your brand. We want to reach new people, but it's important to nurture the people that are already part of your community, that are already part of your group. They're already bought into what you're selling. You want to nurture them as well. And you can do this through customer shout outs, sharing testimonials, telling the story of how your products have helped your customers, highlighting positive reviews, doing community events, collaborating, sponsoring events. At the end of the day, you can keep someone loyal to your brand by being genuine, being authentic, and strengthening how they feel about your brand, strengthening that emotional connection that they have to you or your music or your products. I hope this video was helpful. If you did not have a strategy before you watched, you do now. And I would love to see what you came up with. So if you're working on this, send me a DM, send me a screenshot of your notes and what you got planned for 2025. And I might even give you my ideas or my feedback on it. But I would love to see you thrive. Doing your own marketing is hard enough. At least let somebody teach you. let's not make it harder by just not knowing when you can subscribe to my free newsletter and get that education right in your inbox. See y'all in the next video. Peace.